Hi and hello friends. Today I have started my second video of gaming in Free Fire game. Today I'm going to try a new mode of Free Fire which I tried in the last video. But in the last video it was just for objective 2s. Means we have to win 2 matches. But this time they have made it for 4 matches. We have to win 4 matches in 7 matches. Okay, let's see how it goes. And my friends were saying that this place has got a little update. Let's see how it happens today. I am playing this place for some 10th time or something, but let's see. Yeah, it has got some other new place. Good going.
Come on, I'll show you. It is very.
Yeah, my friends said all right, and this was a new mode. In this new mode, they got a new place. This is a just right new place, and I am playing this place for first time.
Come on, go.
And actually, I didn't buy my gun, so this match will be a great loss for me. Let's see if my brother comes to revive me. Yeah, he's just here. He's just helping me. I just thanking my bro. He's my brother, and his ID is Roshan103F. He's also a good Free Fire player.
Come on.
Let's see what the heck happens now. And today I'm playing this a new mode for the first time. This new mode I played it before this time also, but this place is arrived newly. This place was not there when I played last time. New place, yeah. So it was good experience for me this time. It was a good experience for me this time. It's very new place and it's very good. Let's see who will win this match. Actually, this match I didn't get even 1 kill to do, so I'm very sad. Let's see if we get any guy out here. Here you go, I got him. Yeah, I killed him. That was good. Just I got a 1 kill. Good thing for me. Actually, it's a good thing for me. And now, you know something? This MP40 is my most favorite guns, and it is very powerful gun too. Which gun do you like? Please comment below if you like any of these guns. If you like any gun in Class Squad or Classic or any one of these matches, any one of Free Fire game, you can just comment me below, and I'll use that guns too in my next training center. In my next training center video, I will be just using every videos and making videos. Sorry, I will be using every guns and making videos of it. So let's see. Now I'm going to blast my enemies out. One guy gone out, and I have to get one more guy. Yeah, I have him. I just got him out here. He is up out here. I got her. Actually, it's her, not him. Oh shit, man! I just killed a guy and it was a great defeat. It's okay, but it's for this time next. Okay. Let's see this match if we can win it. Actually, I got this Wukong character for 7 days from some event. You can also get this from the event page, so go and get it. And there is a speciality of this Wukong character. We can transform him into a ghillie dress. See, this is a ghillie dress. Yeah, this one is a ghillie dress. And if we want, we can cancel it. But if you want to make him again a ghillie dress, then it will take so much time.
Come on, dude. Come on.
So I'm going to kill the enemies now, and oh my god, I just got some hurt onto my character. So I'm applying my first aid. I'm using it. I'll not let enemy to win this match. So me and my brother. So I got him. Even the last match he just came to me and he was killed by me itself. Even this match he just came to me and he was killed by me. So my brother was asking me for the loot. He's out of loot actually. He wanted some bullets from me. So he took the bullets. He's going to the enemies directly to die. Yeah, he killed one guy. He gave him a headshot. You saw that down below actually. He gave him a headshot and just killed him out. He did a double kill. Very good. My brother and me and my brother are remaining now. Let's see how we will win. Yeah, man. Yeah, even I got a double kill.
Nice.
Actually, I killed the last enemy which my brother couldn't. But my brother got the MVP. Why? Because he did double kill before me. He is actually a good player in Free Fire.
Oh, thanks. Is this? Okay, thanks. Bro.
Yeah, my mobile has some network issues, so it just gets late or it just gets lagged sometimes, but it's okay. I am a good player indeed.
Come on, wait.
I just saw an enemy out here. I'll just try to eliminate him. I'll just try to eliminate him.
First blood.
Actually, I have a ball now, snowball. I'm just going to eliminate these enemies now. One by one. I'll be trying to eliminate them one by one now. Oh my god, I'm stuck out here. But I'll get escaped somehow. Now I'll use my MP40. It's my favorite gun, as I said. And here there's a guy. Here there was a guy actually. He just escaped from here and he's up now. He's just hurting my brother. This guy, he just comes to me every match. Every match he just comes to me. I don't know why he likes to come and die in front of me. I don't know. Every match he just comes to me. And Free Fire has given a self-reviving kit for everyone in just Clash Squad matches. Only in Clash Squad matches, so we can use it. And we are just when we want the revive, if anyone is not nearby, so we can use it by ourselves. So I am giving gifts for everyone. Just one. Who wants it? You can take it. One. So I'll try my level best to win this match actually. Actually, I am getting hurted now. I need to take this straight for myself.
Please revive.
Actually, my brother wants revive now, but sorry brother, I am just here for an enemy. He just asked me for revive. Yeah, I got a kill now. At last I got an enemy now. Now I am going to one more enemy who is above there. I just request the God that don't just make me die without killing an enemy out here. Who's out here? Yeah, who comes out? I am just killing this guy first time. I got the double kill. This time I will get this match I will get MVP. Why? Because I just did a double kill. And one more guy is remaining out here. One more enemy. I want to kill him. I don't know where this threatened guy is. Yeah, he was about this itself. I didn't look at him. Okay, I got a Booyah now. So let's celebrate the victory. Woo! I just got into my ghillie dress. Ooh, I am celebrating my victory with my ghillie dress. Okay, it's time up, and I think my brother will get the MVP, most MVP, and then I'll be the second one. Oh my God! I got the highest MVP, and I'm really happy. So guys, it's okay. So guys, if you like my video, please, if you just like my video and my game playing, please like my video and subscribe my channel, and please comment below which gun you like, and if you have any comment about my videos, and if I want to improve something, you can comment below. Please do it. Okay.